film yung intro ng video na to. Pero ito, it's our weekly challenge. And for this week, our challenge is to keep our bed clear. Kasi usually, pag natutulog ako, hindi siya clear. Makikita nyo yun in the video na susunod. So, tignan nyo. Yay, it's all clear and let's see our desk. There. It's just my laptop there and ito yung planner and notebook na lagi kong ginagamit and everything's clean. Except na dyan pa yung vacuum kasi lilinisin ko yung mga sofa sa bahay. So, there. It's our day 1, Sunday. So, we cleaned our bed today and let's see if it's gonna be clean tomorrow pa rin. So, let's sleep na. I'm gonna fix my bed now. I almost fell asleep, but I have to do my challenge. So I got everything out of my bag. I usually put out everything and just lay them in my bed and sleep where there are no things. So this is how I sleep before. I just put everything there and then just sleep in the space over there. But right now, we have to clean it up and I have to put my sheets. I finally cleared out my bed, but guys, look. It's 3 a.m. already, so I have to finish that one. I have to put my sheets and sleep already. Hey guys, ito update. Malinis ang ating bed. Hi guys! It's Thursday today and so far we're doing good with our challenge na wala tayong masyadong nilalagay sa bed natin. But today, this is what happened. I have laundry over there. I have the things I use over there in my bag and everything. And eto ang nasa ilalim ng bed. Hindi lang tayo sa bed naggulo, pati dito sa ilalim ng bed. So, hindi ko lang paano mag-uumpisa magligpit. Basta, gagawa muna ako ng vlog ko dahil ilang araw na ako hindi nag-post. So, tignan natin kung makakatulog tayo in peace. Paano ba ako mag-uumpisa? Hi. Guys, a little update sa paglilinis ko. Ayan, madumi pa rin. At ito pa rin. Kasi, nanonood ako ng Weekly Idol. Pinapanood ko yung Cypher ni Rain. Yung sa company ni Rain. Guys, panoorin nyo. Super natutuwa ako na super daddy si Rain sa ginagawa niyang boy group. So, let's support Cypher, guys. Ay, ganito ba yung sign nila? Let's support Cypher. So, wait, I'll see you in a bit. Aayusin ko yan. Hindi ako matutulog na may laman yan. So, ayusin natin yan. Guys, it's 2:40 a.m. And I just removed the things in my bed for me to sleep. And I place everything that I will use tomorrow. Okay, we're gonna sleep.
Grades pretty much 1 through 6. Yeah. 7, 8, 9, which is it's middle school here, right? And then high school.
So guys, I just have my planner and notebook left and my laptop, and then when I'm gonna sleep, I'm just gonna put it away and place it there. So success for this day again. It's my last day for this challenge and I still have my laundry over there and things I'm using lately, so I'm so tired to get up, but I have to do my challenge. My bed's all clean, but I have my laptop there and journal. I will just put it in the side table because I'm gonna work pa. So, good night guys. See you tomorrow. So, ayun guys, natapos na yung challenge ko for the week. And so far, natuwa ako kasi ngayon natapos na yung challenge. Ganun pa rin, clear pa rin ang bed ko. Although, nandun yung pang-change ko, maliligo pa lang ako. So, ayan, super nice. I hope I could keep it up even without the challenge and magawa ko to as a practice na din in everyday life. So far naman, feeling ko nagiging practice na siya. So, I'm really so happy. And our next challenge, tignan natin ano yung next challenge natin. But, yung 2 challenges na nagawa natin for the past 2 weeks, hanggang ngayon ginagawa ko pa rin. I'm still taking my red ginseng and I'm still fixing my bed before going to sleep. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you in my next videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button, and see you tomorrow every day.